Hey, hello from Schwerin. This is my countless times coming to Schwerin. In today's video, I like to get my laptop fixed. You know, there's a saying that says sometimes you have to get a new one. It's better than fixing it. I don't know how much it's gonna cost me to get my laptop fixed here in Germany. Let's go. I reckon that this is the center of the city as it's getting more and more crowded, more restaurants, shopping centers over here, and all these beautiful buildings, banks, shopping centers, and here where you can see a lot of people are coming for shopping, people from different places. Look at this tram. I wish we had this in our country. Bus, some of the buses as well. This is Home Depot, and I believe that this is the biggest, if not this one, the biggest shopping center here in Schwerin. It looks a little bit crazy to see someone like me filming while everybody's busy doing their own business. Anyway, let's see each other at the computer shop. Let's see how much they will charge me for a keyboard replacement. See you. Well, look at this neighborhood. It looks like this is a property from the government, or it might be a private corporate, but who knows. And this building is quite interesting. As we walking across the street, I've spotted a lot of donor shops, and the reason of these donor shops exist here because in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, Germany lacked of workers. It was when they need people from Turkey. The people from Turkey came to Germany to work as guest workers, and believe it or not, there are about 4 or 5 million Turkish people in Berlin and other neighboring cities that are born outside Turkey. And that is why you see a lot of donor shops, and all of those people are probably originally from Turkey, or at least the parents probably. So, and one of the most popular snacks and fast food here is doner kebab, of course, and it's getting more and more expensive in recent years. Here we are. Hello. Hello. Oh boy, I just went to that laptop shop, and you know how much it cost me? 200 euro just to replace a keyboard. And the guy said, well, you cannot just replace the keyboard, although theoretically it is possible, but it might not work as good as replacing the whole thing. So the service, we charge, well, about 90, and the price of the keyboard is about also 90 euros. And then plus other services, it's 200 euros. So I decided not to do that, and probably I go back to Visma and get a new keyboard. So, hello. So, I have a new friend now. The guy from the car. He's so friendly. Donor shop.